Guys, as you can see, that's it. I unboxed it. Now it's time to clean. Yeah, I was removing the papers kwa handles. Now it's cleaning time. So I put it, okay, I was told like ni wache ilale overnight without me like kuiwasha so that it can cool down from the carrying it, because from town to where I live it's a bit of a distance. So compressor yake, okay, niliambiwa a lot of things, but point ni like I let it be off overnight ndo niwashe asubuhi. So I let it like sleep bila kuwashwa overnight, then nikaiwa. Guys, sorry, my mic is misbehaving, so I'm like doing the most while doing this voiceover. Anyway, I let the fridge sleep bila kuwasha. Niliwasha asubuhi and it was working fine. It's 2 weeks later and I can say for sure it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. The electricity inakula si more because the watts are not that high. Yeah, me, I'm happy with my fridge and I thank God. I'm happy. I'm the happiest. I'm saving food. I used to like to throw food away because I'm just alone. Chakula kibaki, I don't like eating the same food that I eat leo ugali, kesho tena ugali. So I find myself throwing food throwing food anymore, and I'm glad. I'm happy with my fridge here. I'm just cleaning it so that I can try. There is a shopping I did previously, ndo nataka nionekana as a load. Is it supposed to be said load? I want to like put the shopping into the fridge zenye zinafaa kuwa hapo so that we see how it works. Yeah. Before I go do some more shopping, I'll do another video for a fridge organization, I guess, when I buy more stuff for the fridge. But as for now, I'm just grateful and happy, and I'm just doing my cleaning. Yeah, so just watch me do my cleaning and reload and everything. Yeah, guys, be sure to pray to God for anything you want, and I'm so sure atakupa the desires of your heart. Yeah, from your mouth to God's ears. I'm always saying that. Always be happy, keep yourself happy, work hard. Yeah, for the life you want. It's not easy, but we have to live this life as it is. Yeah, so continue, enjoy the video as I don't know, I'm just feeling so excited and happy about my fridge. If I was still a kid, I would sleep in here. If you know, you know. But anyway, let me leave you to watch. Yeah, enjoy.